It's gonna be sticky, it's gonna be sweet, and it's gonna be citrusy. Oh, I'm making tequila-tangerine chicken wings. So I have about 1.5 cups of tangerine juice. So I'm slicing up 2 jalapeños. I'm gonna cut about 2 of these tangerines. All right, so I'm gonna head over here to my stove. I have my tangerine juice here. I have 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm gonna put some of my jalapeños in here. Add some slices of my tangerine. I'm gonna add some soy sauce in there. I'm gonna give it that salty umami flavor. Give it a stir. I'm not adding in my tequila right now. I want the sauce to kind of cook up, get nice and bubbly, the sugar to melt. If I add it in right now, it'll just burn off and I won't get any of that taste of the tequila. While that's heating up, I'm gonna season my chicken. Simple seasonings, salt and pepper. This is about 2 pounds of chicken. I decided to use whole wings, but you can always use wingettes. Flip it over. Some salt and pepper on the other side as well. And before I fry these, I'm gonna check on my sauce. I'm gonna add in just a little bit of tequila. Now, if you have kids at home, skip the tequila, it'll still be a great dish. Give it a quick stir. I'm gonna actually push it back and get it off the heat so it can set up and get nice and syrupy. I have my oil heated here to 375 degrees. Let me grab my tongs and fry these in batches until they become nice and crispy. While those fry, I'm gonna finish up my sauce. I have a strainer here. I'm gonna remove all the bigger pieces. Move this out. Okay. I'm gonna add it back to my pan to thicken it up with a slurry. And the slurry is just 2 tablespoons of cornstarch whisked into 1 cup of water. And now I'm whisking up my slurry and I'm looking for a sticky, thick type of sauce to coat my chicken wings. Okay, as it heats up, it'll start to thicken up. My wings are done now. They are golden brown. Grab my sauce, pour it into this bowl, grab my chicken. All right, now I'm gonna coat my wings in the sauce. Oh, sticky wings. I think it's cool enough to try. Some good chicken wings.